Hello, boys and girls. I am inside of Google Classroom, and we have a couple of assignments that we want to work on this week. The first one is we'll go to the numbers in range assignment, and we have a couple of things here. We have a worksheet, we have a website to go to, and we have this login information. So I'm going to click on View Assignment. What we're going to do is to get to the Microsoft Editor, we're going to go to this website right here, Microbit Classroom. So I'll click on that, and it has some classroom code that you have to enter. To find that information, you're going to go back to Google Classroom, and it says numbers in range, Kent, and that'll open up, and we'll see our login information. Class name would be Purple Dog Speedboat Balloon, and this number 980040 is our pin. So I'll go back to Microbit Classroom, and the color is purple, animal is dog, transport is speedboat, and the object is balloon. The number is 980040, and I'll click continue. For this part, you have to enter your name. Make sure you enter your first and last name. Once you've entered your name, click continue. For the numbers in range, you're going to create a dice or a die. A die meaning one dice. If we roll it, so we know a dice has, or die has 6 sides, and it can reveal either a dot anywhere from 1 dot to 6 dots. We're not going to reveal a dot, but instead we will reveal a number. To do that, what we want to do is when we shake our microbit, we want a number to be revealed. To do that, we'll go to input, and the second block is on shake. Then we'll go to basic and add the show number. And the way that we get a random number to be revealed is we go to the math category, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th category. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th block is pick random 0 to 10. I'll pop that in where it says show number, and I'll change that from 1 to 6, and that is our random number program. So if I shake my microbit emulator, I get a 6. I shake it again, I get a 5. I get a 3. So a random number is revealed. Once you're done, you're going to click I've finished. And you could rate this if you want, or you can just X that out. And I will see your code. Once you're done with this program and you've finished it, you're going to go back to Google Classroom. For this, because your work is inside of Microbit Classroom, you do not have to upload it to Google Classroom. Once you've completed the code for this assignment, there is a worksheet that needs to be completed. So you'll click on the worksheet, and there is 2 questions that you have to answer, and there is a reflection question that you have to answer. Once you've answered these questions, go back to Google Classroom and turn this assignment in. After you have completed that assignment, you're going to go back to the next assignment, which is the Microbit Truth or Dare assignment. For this assignment, you're going to do something very, very similar to what you did before. However, for this assignment, I will not be giving you the code. You're going to have to create the code on your own. You'll go to, once again, to Microbit Classroom. You're going to enter, once again, the color, the animal, the transport, and the object. This is a different classroom, so you need to make sure that you enter the correct classroom code. For this one, the code would be purple, chicken, bus, saxophone, and the number 970214. So purple, chicken, bus, saxophone, and the number is 970214, and you'll click continue. Just like before, make sure you enter your first and your last name, and you'll click continue. For this assignment, you're going to place all of your code in this area right here, just like you did before, and once you're done, you'll click I am, or I've finished. For this assignment, you'll look at the worksheet first before you create your code, and you have some pseudocode here. You're going to create a truth or dare game, and the pseudocode is written below. So the pseudocode is press the A or B button. A equals truth, B equals dare. Display truth or dare on the microbit. Reveal a random number between 1 and 6, and then read truth or dare to the person with whom you're playing. This part of the code number 4 is not part of your program. This is just what happens when you're playing the game. Once you're done with the program and you've clicked I'm finished and turned it in, you will come down to these 2 reflection questions and respond to these reflection questions and then turn the assignment in. If you want to see an example of what this game looks like, we'll go over and I'll show you an example. So an example of what this game looks like is if I press the A button, we see the word truth. The number 6 is revealed. If I press the B button, we see dare, and the 6 is revealed. Now these are random numbers, so if I press B again, I see a 1. If I press A, it says truth. I see a 4. That's your assignment. Once you're done, turn everything into Google Classroom. Once again, this code, because it is in Microbit Classroom, you do not have to upload it to Google Classroom. If you have any questions, send me an email or a comment in Google Classroom.